This quiz is designed to test your math skills across 4 exciting levels. Level 1, easy addition, 20 simple and straightforward problems. Level 2, intermediate addition, 30 multi-digit problems with some carryovers and word problems. Level 3, advanced addition, 30 challenging 4-digit and 5-digit problems. Level 4, bonus challenge, 20 fun and tricky real-life scenario problems. Here's how to play. A question will appear on the screen. You'll have a few seconds to solve it. Pause the video if you need more time, then press play to see the answer. Grab your pen and paper or solve in your head, and don't forget to keep track of your score. Let's see how many you can get right. This quiz is designed. Question 1. What is 12 plus 15? The answer is 27. Question 2. Add 23 and 34. The answer is 57. Question 3. What is 45 plus 13? The answer is 58. Question 4. Add 56 and 21. The answer is 77. Question 5. What is 18 plus 24? The answer is 42. Question 6. Add 32 and 16. The answer is 48. Question 7. What is 49 plus 23? The answer is 72. Question 8. Add 27 and 36. The answer is 63. Question 9. What is 51 plus 18? The answer is 69. Question 10. Add 19 and 42. The answer is 61. Question 11. What is 33 plus 14? The answer is 47. Question 12. Add 22 and 29. The answer is 51. Question 13. What is 41 plus 37? The answer is 78. Question 14. Add 12 and 28. The answer is 40. Question 15. What is 26 plus 19? The answer is 45. Question 16. Add 38 and 11. The answer is 49. Question 17. What is 50 plus 25? The answer is 75. Question 18. Add 44 and 33. The answer is 77. Question 19. What is 29 plus 31? The answer is 60. Question 20, add 15 and 27. The answer is 42. Question 1. Add 123 and 456. The answer is 579. Question 2. Add 342 and 789. The answer is 1,131. Question 3. Add 876 and 543. The answer is 1,419. Question 4. Add 654 and 321. The answer is 975. Question 5. Add 432 and 678. The answer is 1,110. Question 6. Add 987 and 234. The answer is 1,221. Question 7. Add 129 and 874. The answer is 1,003. Question 8. Add 215 and 398. The answer is 613. Question 9. Add 763 and 542. The answer is 1,305. Question 10. Add 671 and 492. The answer is 1,163. Question 11. Add 354 and 678. The answer is 1,032. Question 12. Add 843 and 267. The answer is 1,110. Question 13. Add 456 and 899. The answer is 1,355. Question 14. Add 784 and 396. The answer is 1,180. Question 15. Add 128 and 675. The answer is 803. Question 16. Add 563 and 439. The answer is 1,002. Question 9. Question 17. Add 821 and 349. The answer is 1,170. Question 18. Add 999 and 123. The answer is 1,122. Question 19. Add 437 and 826. The answer is 1,263. Question 20. Add 679 and 214. The answer is 893. A store sold 345 items on Monday and 567 items on Tuesday. How many items were sold in total? The answer is 912. A car traveled 876 miles on the first day and 654 miles on the second day. What is the total distance covered? The answer is 1,530. You earned $432 from one job and $678 from another. How much money do you earn in total? The answer is $1,110. A warehouse received 763 boxes of goods in the morning and 542 in the afternoon. How many boxes did they receive in total? The answer is 1,305. There are 354 students in grade 6 and 678 students in grade 7. How many students are there in both grades combined? The answer is 1,032. A farmer planted 456 apple trees and 789 orange trees. What is the total number of trees planted? The answer is 1,245. A plane flew 543 miles in the first hour and 899 miles in the second hour. How many miles did it fly in total? The answer is 1,442. You have 843 followers on Instagram, and 267 new people follow you this week. How many followers do you have now? The answer is 1,110. A library added 437 new books to its collection and later received another 826 books. How many new books were added in total? The answer is 1,263. A bakery produced 679 cakes in the morning and 214 cakes in the afternoon. How many cakes were produced during the entire day? The answer is 893. Okay, question 1. Add 3,448 and 3,451. The answer is 6,899. Question 2. Add 2,112 and 4,415. The answer is 6,527. Question 3. Add 5,414 and 1,134. The answer is 6,548. Question 4. Add 6,256 and 1,233. The answer is 7,489. Question 5. Add 3,026 and 5,811. The answer is 8,837. Question 6. Add 1,253 and 4,626. The answer is 5,879. Question 7. Add 3,046 and 2,253. The answer is 5,299. Question 8. Add 2,142 and 7,637. The answer is 9,779. Okay, question 1. Question 9. Add 3,200 and 5,618. The answer is 8,818. Question 10. Add 8,201 and 1,181. The answer is 9,382. Question 11. Add 4,546 and 5,213. The answer is 9,759. Question 12. Add 1,010 and 7,503. The answer is 8,513. Question 13. Add 4,473 and 1,424. The answer is 5,897. Question 14. Add 6,237 and 2,722. The answer is 8,959. Question 15. Add 8,162 and 1,521. The answer is 9,683. Question 16. Add 6,300 and 3,672. The answer is 9,972. Question 17. Add 3,241 and 6,457. The answer is 9,698. Question 18. Add 5,602 and 3,141. The answer is 8,743. Question 19. Add 4,359 and 3,540. The answer is 7,899. Question 20. Add 5,422 and 1,453. The answer is 6,875. Question 21. Add 37,402 and 30,114. The answer is 67,516. Question 22. Add 85,246 and 11,532. The answer is 96,778. Question 23. Add 24,013 and 54,685. The answer is 78,698. Question 24. Add 12,118 and 70,121. The answer is 82,239. Question 25. Add 10,001 and 89,932. The answer is 99,933. Question 26. Add 30,306 and 29,421. The answer is 59,727. Question 27. Add 21,051 and 18,111. The answer is 39,162. Question 28. Add 84,463 and 12,511. The answer is 96,974. Question 29. Add 33,486 and 33,112. The answer is 66,598. Question 30. Add 11,511 and 46,080. The answer is 57,591. Question 1. A bakery made 1,234 cakes in the morning and 876 in the afternoon. How many cakes did they make in total? The answer is 2,110. Question 2. A train traveled 2,345 miles on Monday and 1,567 miles on Tuesday. What is the total distance covered? The answer is 3,912. Question 3. You spent $432.75 on groceries and $234.50 on fuel. What is the total amount spent? The answer is $667.25. Question 4. A factory produced 4,123 widgets in January and 3,789 widgets in February. How many widgets were produced in both months? The answer is 7,912. Question 5. A school library added 1,234 new books in the first quarter and 1,876 in the second quarter. How many books were added in total? The answer is 3,110. Question 6. A truck delivered 2,000 kilograms of goods to one warehouse and 1,650 kilograms to another. What is the total weight delivered? The answer is 3,650 kilograms. Question 7. A sports team scored 345 points in their first game and 298 in their second game. What is their total score? The answer is 643. Question 8. A farmer planted 2,145 trees in one field and 1,245 in another. How many trees were planted in total? The answer is 3,390. Question 9. You saved $3,200 this year and $2,450 last year. How much have you saved in total? The answer is $5,650. Question 10. A car's odometer reads 12,345 miles at the start of a trip. After driving 1,444 miles, what is the new reading on the odometer? The answer is 13,789. Question 11. Fill in the blank. 2,345 plus blank equals 5,678. What number goes in the blank? The answer is 3,333. Question 12. Solve. 1,234 plus 3,456 plus 4,567 plus 7,890. The answer is 17,147. Question 13. True or false? 6,543 plus 3,210 equals 9,753. The answer is true. Question 14. A train station has 12,000 passengers in the morning and 15,500 in the afternoon. How many passengers were there in total? The answer is 27,500. Question 15. A store sold 8,765 items in March and 9,876 items in April. How many items were sold in both months? The answer is 18,641. Question 16. Solve 4,321 plus 1,234 plus 5,678. The answer is 11,233. Question 17. A car drives 500 miles on the first day, 600 miles on the second day, and 400 miles on the third day. How many miles does it travel in total over the 3 days? The answer is 1,500 miles. Question 18. A company's revenue was $1,234,500 $567 last year and $987,654 this year. What is the total revenue for the 2 years? The answer is $2,222,221. Question 19. Fill in the blank. 5,000 plus 2,345 plus blank equals 10,000. The answer is 2,655. Question 20. Solve 12,345 plus 7,890 plus 3,210 plus 4,567. The answer is 28,012.